Now let's take another complex example of the AVL tree. So, so the example is basically 21, 26, 30, and 9, 4, 14, 9, 4, 14, 28, 28, and then after 15 and the 10. 15 and the 10. Okay. Now 21, 26, 30. Okay, and it is unbalanced. You already know why it is unbalanced. Okay, 0 minus 1, it is minus 1, and 0 minus 2, it's basically minus 2, so it is unbalanced. So make it balanced. So how we can make it balanced? 26 will go to the root, 30 will go to the right, and 21 will come to the left. Okay, and it is balanced. Now we will try to insert the next value 9. Okay, now compare with the 26, it will go to the left hand side. 21, compare with the 21, it will go to the left hand side, and it is 9. Okay, now find the balance factor. For the 9 it is 0, and for the 21, 1 minus 0, it is 1. For the 30 it is 0, and for the 26, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, it's basically 1. Okay, so still it is balanced. Okay, now we will try to insert the 4. Now 4. Okay, now find the balance factor of each and every node. Now try to find the balance factor of each and every node. First, remove it first. Let me remove it first. And the balance factor is basically, for the 4 it is 0, and for the 9 it is 1 minus 0, so it is 1, and for the 2 it is 2 minus 0, it's basically 2. So that means we will not go upstairs, as we found an unbalanced tree. Okay, now make it balance. So how we can make it balance? So 9 will go to the root, 4 will come to the left hand side, and 21 will go to the right hand side. Okay, and now 26 as it is same as the root. Okay, and the 30 will go to the right hand side. This is the final tree. Okay, now try to insert the next value. Oh, before that one you have to find the balance factor. So for the 4 it is 0, for the 21 it is 0, for the 9 it is 0, you already know, because 1 minus 1 it is 0, and for the 30 it is 0, and for the 26, 4 or the 9 or 21 or the 9, whatever you want to take, that is 2, minus right hand side is only 30, it is 1, so it is 1, it is only 1. Okay, it is only 1, so still it is balanced. Okay, now try to insert the 14. So 26, compare with the 26, left hand side, compare with the 9, right hand side, compare with the 21, left hand side. Okay, so 14 will come into that place. Now try to find the balancing factor of each and every node. Let me remove the previous one first. Okay, now we will try to find the balance factor. For the 14 it is 0, for the 21 it is 1 minus 0, it is 1, and for the 4 it is 0, and for the 9 it is 1 minus 21 and 14, it is 2, so here it is minus 1, and for the 30 it is 0, and for the 26, 1, 2, 3, for 14, 21 and the 9, 3 minus, and for the 30 it is 1, so here we will get 2, so it is unbalanced. Now try to find the cause why it is unbalanced. So we have inserted the 14 here, so that's why it is unbalanced. Okay, so this is the unbalanced, from where we got the unbalancing factor, so it is the unbalanced. Okay, so now make it balanced. So how we can make it balanced? It's very simple. So 21 will go to the root, 9 will go to the left, 26 will come to the right, 30 will go to the right. Okay, and then after it will left hand side it will come to the 4. Okay, now the most important, where the 14 will go. Now try to find it where the 14 will go. So 14 will go to the right hand side. Let me check the first. 14 will is the left hand side of 21. Okay, left hand side of the 21, but right hand side of the 9. 14 is the right hand side of the 9 through 21. So 14 will come into that place. Okay, so here it is 0, 0, and the 0, and for the 9 it is 0, 1 minus 0, sorry, 0 minus 1, it is minus 1, and here it is 0. Okay, understood? Very simple. Now try to insert the 28. Okay, now compare with 21, right hand side, compare with the 26, right hand side, compare with the 30, left hand side. So here it is 28. Okay, so here it is 0. Okay, okay, now first try to remove all the balancing factors. I am not removing the left hand side because already it will be 0. For the 28 it is 0. For the 30 it is 1 minus 0, so 1. And for the 26 it is 0 minus 2, so it is minus 2. Okay, so now unbalanced, this one is unbalanced, so now make it balance. So how you can make it balance? It's very simple. So 21 as it is the root. Right hand side will be 28, 26 will come to the left, 30 will come to the right. Okay, very simple. And 9 will come to the left hand of 21, 14, and the 4. Okay, now all are 0. 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 2 it is 0. Very simple. Okay, now try to insert the next value, it is the 15. So compare with 21, 15, left hand side, compare with the 9, right hand side, compare with the 14, right hand side, so 15. Okay, now try to find the balancing factor. Okay, now try to find the balancing factor here. So here it is 30 0, 26 0, and 15 0, 14, 1 minus sorry, 0 minus 1, it is minus 1, here it is 0, so 1 minus 2, it is minus 1, and here 1 2 3, 3 minus 1 2, so 3 minus 2, it's basically 1, and as it is all the values are 0, so still it is balanced. Okay, now try to insert the 10. Okay, now 21, 10, 9, right hand side, 14, 14, left hand side, so 10 will come into that place, 10 will come into that place, so here it is 0, and updated balancing factors are basically, here it is so 0, and here it is 1 minus 2, it's the minus 1, and here it is 1 2 3 minus 2, it is basically 1. Okay, so it is still balanced. After inserting this one, it's still balanced.